Welcome to our tutorial on creating a sphere. The Sphere command is the third tool on the Surfaces workbench. Let's activate it. The Sphere Surface Definition window opens, and let's explore our options here. Our first task is to select the center of the sphere. Let's make the radius 50 millimeters. Right-click, change step, new step, enter 10 millimeters, and click OK. Now the step changes in 10 millimeter increments. Now we select the sphere axis. Down here we have two options. We can create a whole sphere, or we can create a partial sphere. Let's select the whole sphere, and presto, we have a whole sphere defined by our radius value. Let's go back to the definition window. We have 4 more angle options to explore: parallel start and end angles, meridian start and end angles. We can drag to the desired effect with the handles. The meridian start and end can go around, but the parallel start and ends can only be 90 or negative 90 degrees. Right-clicking on each of these fields gives us additional options. After you're satisfied with your sphere, click OK. And this concludes our tutorial on creating a sphere.